Okay folks, so this would be a very quick video on Azure AI Agent Service quotas and limits. Now, as these are quite new services, so it's very important that you are aware of your quota and limit before you start doing your production workloads. Right, so Microsoft has done a very good job and they have actually published it clearly. And if you see, they have mentioned that the maximum files per agent or thread that you can use is around 10,000 when using with API or using the Foundry portal. So what it means, either you're using the API or you're using the Foundry portal, your limit is still 10,000 files per agent per thread. Now, they've also actually clearly stated in Azure OpenAI Studio, the limit was 20. Now, previously, Microsoft had an Azure OpenAI Studio. With that, the limit was 20. But when they came with Foundry, they have given this maximum limit. Now, most of the time you would actually be using some files, especially for your RAG. So they have given the maximum file size for agents and fine tuning. So obviously when you're creating your agents or you're giving a knowledge source, you would be giving or specifying some files. And if you're using fine tuning, you would be giving your training data, testing data. So they say that the maximum file size, like the size of one file, should not be more than 512 MB, which is quite small, but I think in the coming days or months, this would be relaxed. Then it says maximum size for all uploaded files. Now, okay, you said, okay, 512, now you start, say, adding files or chunks of files or chunk them together or bring them together. On that, the total file size or total size that you are actually uploading to the agent should not exceed 100 GB. Very important. And then it talks also about the agent's token limit. Now, tokens, as you know, it represents chunks of text, which could be words, subwords, characters that the AI processes. For reference, normally we say like one token is equivalent to 4 characters in English, or it could be something like 750 words per 1000 tokens, roughly, rough estimate. So they're saying that they are able to utilize around 2 million token limit for the agent that you are creating, right? So please be aware of these quotas and limits with Azure AI Agent Service. Thanks for watching.